Imagine heavily and warships, aircraft carriers, and submarines patrolling the seas. However, when it comes to naval operations, no single entity may be more critical than the US military Sealift Command (MSC). As the logistical backbone of US Navy, MSC operates a fleet of vessels responsible for transporting supplies, personnel, and equipment, ensuring military readiness worldwide. While talking about its history, when speed is essential, MSC relies on its fastest ship, the Spearhead class vessels. These expeditionary fast transport ships were introduced in the early 2000s to provide rapid, flexible, and cost effective transport for troops, military vehicles, and equipment. Designed for high speed operations in shallow waters, EPFs enhance the Navy's ability to deploy forces quickly and efficiently across global threats. Naval commanders quickly recognized the effectiveness of Spearhead class vessels in addressing logistical challenges. With the top speed of 45 knots, these ships are among the fastest in the US fleet. Their speed is largely due to the catamaran hull designed in shallow draft, which significantly reduce drag and enhance maneuverability in coastal and shallow waters. Measuring approximately 1,000 meters in length, Spearhead class ships features a modular deck design, allowing them to be rapidly reconfigured to transport a wide range of cargo. This adaptability makes the invaluable of military operations requiring fast and flexible transport solutions. USNS Carson City TEPF-7 in 2016, the US Navy officially launched its seventh Spearhead class vessel, the USNS Carson City. Like its sister ships, Carson City is a high speed, shallow draft catamaran capable of operating in waters as shallow as 12 feet. The vessel was constructed at Austal USA's shipyard in Mobile, Alabama, and was formally rolled out on January 16, 2016. During the launch process, the 1515-ton ship was carefully positioned atop a series of heavy-duty two vehicles, which acted as wheels to move it toward the water. The vessel was then placed on a barge and transported to a nearby dock. Once the dry dock was flooded, a fleet of tugboats maneuvered the Carson City out to sea, making the beginning of its operational services. While talking about its mission and capabilities, Spearhead class ships are designed for maximum versatility, making them a critical asset for expeditionary missions. One of the primary roles is transporting military vehicles, construction equipment, and other essential cargo to transport operations across diverse environments. Their speed, adaptability, and shallow draft capabilities enable them to access locations that traditional transport vessels cannot reach, making them a key component of US naval logistics. Now, talking about its mission bay and cargo operations, the 1900 square meter mission bay is designed for maximum efficiency and versatility. It features a movable ramp capable of sporting up to 1,000 tons, allowing for rapid loading and offloading. Vehicles can simply drive abroad, where they are secured for transport. Upon reaching their destination, they disembark using the same ramp, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. The crew plays a crucial role in streamlining these operations to minimize turnaround time. Now, moving toward its crew and responsibilities, while the captain oversees the overall operation of the vessel, the chief mate is primarily responsible for cargo management and ship stability. These include ensuring the vehicles and equipment are properly stored, weight is evenly distributed, and any shifting is minimized to maintain the ship's balance. The chief mate is responsible for force protection as well as overseeing all the cargo loading and offloading at each port. Additionally, they train the crew and any embarked personnel. The chief mate also work closely with the crew to coordinate navigation and docking procedures, ensuring safe and efficient port operations. Given that Spearhead class vessels like USNS Carson City can carry over 600 short tons of cargo, proper weight distribution is critical to maintaining the ship's performance and stability. Now, coming forward to its crew and troops capacity, while talking about this, the USNS Carson City typically operates with the core crew of 22 personnel, though this number can be increased to 41 depending on mission requirements. Additionally, the vessel can accommodate over 300 troops, further enhancing its role as a high speed expeditionary transport for military operations. The USNS Carson City typically operates with a core crew of 22 personnel, though this number can be increased to 41 depending on the mission's requirement. Additionally, these vessels can accommodate over 300 troops, further enhancing its role as a high speed expeditionary transport for military